Hey everyone, so let me ask you something. You ever been listening to music on Alexa, particularly using Amazon Music, and sometimes a good song comes on and then it's towards the end and then you want to play it back, but then it's like you didn't know what the name of it was? Well, there's a history and you could actually check that out. So if you're new to my channel, before I show you, my name is Ronald. I do videos on finance, productivity, and what else do I do? Finance, productivity, and tech. I haven't done tech videos in a while. I'm gonna start doing that though. So let me go ahead and show you how to do it. By the way, most of you guys that are on my channel are not subscribed, so if you could do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, that'll help me out a lot. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right in. If I start up Alexa, it says it's playing Amazon Music, but that's all it says. And like down here, I can see the current song that it's playing, but it doesn't give me any more information. All right. What you want to do basically to see songs that it just played is go straight to Amazon Music, and then from here, if you go to library towards the bottom, you'll see that there's an option for history right over here, song history. So if you click that, now you have the last few songs that Alexa was playing. Pretty cool. So now I'm gonna stop this and show it to you from my iPhone. And right over here under library, you see there's the tabs towards the bottom here. If we go to library and scroll up, same thing, we have music history. And there you see all the songs that were recently played. All right, so that's it. Pretty cool. So if you like this video and want to see more productivity tips like this, go ahead and let me know in the comments and I will go ahead and do so. I've been doing mainly finance videos and I'm going to start including tech also, but I want to make sure I'm delivering what you guys really want to see. Okay, so that's it and I'll talk to you soon.